Google has finally come up to scratch when it comes to creating custom stickers in Google Photos. If you are an Android person and your friends have iPhones, you will know that they have a cool custom sticker feature built into their phone. Finally, Google Photos has now replicated it. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Google Photos. Select a photo that you're wanting to create a sticker of. So I'm going to hit long press on this fluffy boy here. And you can see the highlight animation that goes around it. And we're going to hit copy sticker. Then we're going to click on the sticker and hit in the top corner, copy. Now that we've copied this, we can go into our WhatsApp. And as you can see, I was testing it out. Paste the sticker, send as sticker, and that's basically it.